Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to a new video in Maya. Well, today we're going to talk about an alternative for adding subdivision to your model, right? Let's say it's very important that you keep your polycount down. What options do you have to make things look slightly better? And when I say slightly better, I mean slightly better, but nevertheless, it's an option, right? I'll show you what I mean. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab a sphere. We're going to go into the attribute editor and let's make this, I don't know, 10 by 10. So this is by no means a smooth sphere, right? Then we're going to go and grab a cylinder and we're going to do something similar to that. We're going to give this a round cap. Let's set that to 5 or so, and we'll set this to 10. Let's make this 4. All right. Okay. Now we have these two objects and we think they are looking very clunky, very rectangular, right? What are our options? Well, let me copy these, Control D to duplicate and move them over. What I can do, of course, is I can smooth them out. So I can go to Mesh and Smooth. But when I do so, I add a lot of subdivision, right? Now, like I said, maybe you don't want to do that. Well, if I select these two, let me copy them again, and hit W and move, I can go up to the mesh display where I have harden edge and soften edge options. Now, when I click on soften edge, you'll get something looking like this. Now, you're probably thinking, well, it looks the same, right? Well, but let me take these two and click on harden edge, and then I'll show the difference, okay? So I didn't touch anything on these. We're going to go up to mesh display, and we're going to go to harden edge. And here you see a very distinct difference, right? So this is smoothing edge with additional polycount. This is hardened edge with no change, and soften edge with no change. So yeah, there's definitely a benefit in doing so. Let's say you're working on a low poly game or whatnot, but just so you know that that option is available, right? Well, that's what I wanted to share with you guys in this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.